classmates. So today we're making challah. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is the recipe right here. We're getting straight into the video today. Alright? No long talk. Stay watching, stay listening, and stay focused. Okay, now the mistake here or after this is coming up. So I did, as you can see, add the bread flour first. Usually when an ingredient or a recipe consists of adding yeast, we usually do the water, the yeast, the sugar, and the salt together. Let the yeast froth or foam, whichever, and then you add the bread flour after. But for here, I added the bread flour first. There's really no way to mess this up because it is a straight dough recipe. And if you guys go back in the beginning of my post when I first started the channel, of what straight dough is, I'll put it on here again so you guys are reminded. That really just means adding everything in at once, so the order doesn't really matter, but so that we are aware that our yeast does have to froth. Now, I got away with this, and it's still proofed how bread should proof because, as you can see, this is instant yeast, meaning if you just throw it in and allow the bread to just do what it does after mixing it, it's still gonna proof. But water, yeast, sugar, and salt, let it froth, add the bread flour, then the olive oil, and any other garnishes that you want to add. But that's just a tip and where I made a little mistake. Continue. Okay, so right here, guys, I did put the bowl on the mixer. I still do have to add my olive oil, my egg yolks, and my malt syrup, which you guys are going to see me grab in just a second. So this requires just egg yolks, and I used olive oil instead of vegetable oil. I'm not sure if it really makes a difference because it is bread. Usually, it doesn't make that much of a difference because the oil is preference. But with baking cupcakes and things like that, if it says vegetable oil, please do not replace it with vegetable oil or olive oil, nor any type of other oils like grapeseed or avocado. So since we're making bread, as I said again, it's okay to replace it. So as you guys can see, I have my eggs. It's important to have 2 cups because you're gonna have to separate the egg white. Do not throw the egg white out. I repeat, do not throw out the egg white. Okay, we need the egg white, and it may not be for this exact bread, but for other breads. And if you're not planning on making bread the day after, just use it for breakfast. Just eat egg whites for breakfast. All right, just don't throw them out. Okay, guys, be back soon. discovery, through this journey of discovery, finding you and finding me, finding you and finding me. Okay guys, so this is what our dough looks like. Alright, looks like an ice cream swirl right there. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Grab my spatula and just scrape it down. The best tool is really our hands. That's why I continuously wash my hands. And I'm saying without even wearing gloves. So, see how that just comes right off. Wish my camera would stay focused. Get that off of there. And I'm going to twist this off. Okay, so that looks. I'm trying to get a good angle for you guys.
Why did you tell me? Well, we've been dating for a few weeks, and usually I wait at least 6 days before I do know. Give it up, lay it on, open a cookie jar.
Okay, and then we're gonna ferment this for.
Now that you've given him that gift, what's he supposed to unwrap on Christmas morning? Do you have enough to worry about? I'm already thinking I've got
2 hours.
I'm just not sure that I'm
Just gonna turn it into a nice ball. It has a really nice consistency too. You guys can see.
Pros and cons of the Raiders offense, and then no one will feel the need to take their clothes off. Good idea. Thank you.
Saran wrap, or I just use a towel because I ran out of saran wrap. I'm just gonna go put this towel on there. 2 hours.